Did you know that while we have water rain here on Earth, it's raining diamonds on Saturn? Imagine, instead of droplets falling from the sky, it's a shower of sparkling gems, a phenomenon as breathtaking as it is baffling. Saturn's weather forecast might just be a prospector's dream, but how does a gas giant millions of miles away manage to turn mere methane into precious diamonds? Sounds unbelievable, right? Let's dive in. Saturn, a gas giant in our solar system, has an atmosphere rich in methane. This isn't just a trivial fact. This methane plays a pivotal role in a process that's both fascinating and exotic. Imagine this. It's raining diamonds on Saturn. This isn't fiction. It's a scientific theory based on Saturn's atmospheric and chemical reactions. Let's explore the science behind it. On Saturn, there are frequent, intense lightning storms. These storms act as catalysts, causing the methane in the atmosphere to break down and form soot, essentially tiny particles of carbon. Now here's the intriguing part. Saturn's atmosphere is incredibly deep, with pressure and temperature increasing the deeper you go. As the soot particles descend, they experience these extreme conditions, which cause them to harden and transform, first into chunks of graphite and then into diamonds. These aren't minuscule diamonds. The largest of them could be about a centimeter in diameter, roughly the size of a baby's tooth. These diamonds, however, don't remain in this state forever. As they approach Saturn's core, they melt into a liquid sea due to the rising pressure and temperature. So while we have water droplets falling from our sky, Saturn has these sparkling gems. But how does Earth's rain compare to Saturn's diamond rain? When we think of rainfall, the image that often comes to mind is that of water droplets cascading from gray clouds, a phenomenon we're all too familiar with on Earth. This process begins with the sun heating our planet's surface, causing water from oceans, lakes, and rivers to evaporate and rise into the sky. This water vapor then cools down in the higher, chillier parts of the atmosphere, condensing into tiny droplets that clump together to form clouds. When these droplets become too large and heavy to stay suspended, they fall back to Earth as rain, completing what we call the water cycle. Now let's embark on a journey millions of miles away, to the gas giant Saturn. Here, things work a little differently. Saturn's atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with traces of other elements like methane. When lightning storms occur, they cause the methane to break down and form soot, or carbon particles. These particles then harden into chunks of graphite as they fall through the atmosphere, subjected to increasing pressure. As these chunks journey deeper, experiencing even more intense pressures and temperatures, they transform into diamonds. Yes, diamonds. These diamond hailstones, some as large as a centimeter in diameter, continue to fall until they reach Saturn's core, where they melt into a sea due to the extreme heat. Unlike Earth's rain, which provides water for plants and animals and replenishes our freshwater sources, Saturn's diamond rain is a dazzling display of cosmic diversity. But remember, these are not the kind of diamonds we could wear on a ring. They're a testament to the incredible range of weather phenomena that exist beyond our earthly realm. But what happens to these diamonds once they form, you may ask? The journey of Saturn's diamonds is a captivating tale of survival against the odds. As these glittering gems materialize in the midst of lightning storms, they embark on a perilous voyage deep into the heart of Saturn. The intense gravity of this gas giant draws these diamonds down through its thick, gaseous atmosphere. This is not a gentle fall, but a relentless plunge through layers of turbulent clouds. As they sink, they face even higher pressures and temperatures. Remember, this is a planet where the surface temperature can be as low as minus 273 degrees Fahrenheit. Deeper into Saturn, the conditions become far more extreme. But unlike Earth's diamonds, these cosmic diamonds cannot withstand the inferno-like conditions in Saturn's depths. Our diamonds, these crystalline structures of carbon, begin to break down under the tremendous heat and pressure. Yet, under the onslaught of these harsh conditions, they don't just disintegrate into carbon dust, but melt into a sea of liquid diamond. This isn't something out of a fantasy novel, but a possibility based on our current understanding of Saturn's unique conditions. Imagine a sea liquid diamond only in the cosmos. But not all scientists are convinced about this diamond rain. The concept of diamond showers on Saturn has its skeptics. Some members of the scientific community express reservations about the proposed carbon chemistry and the actual production of these precious stones, the gas giant. The skepticism stems from the complexity of the process. Lightning storms turning methane into soot, this soot hardening into graphite, and, under extreme pressure and temperature, becoming diamonds. This all supposedly happens in the tumultuous atmosphere of Saturn, unlike anything we have on Earth. It's understandable that some scientists question if the conditions are just right for such an extraordinary transformation. However, if the theory does stand up to scrutiny, It opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine a future where we could mine diamonds from the atmosphere of Saturn. 10 million tons of diamonds just waiting to be harvested. A whole new frontier for space exploration and resource gathering. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. As exciting as the prospect might be, it's essential to keep in mind we're still in the realm of theoretical science. So, next time it rains, imagine if those droplets were diamonds. It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? Today we've explored the cosmic spectacle of Saturn's Diamond Rain, a phenomenon born from the heart of lightning storms and extreme conditions. We've compared it to Earth's rain, a vital part of our life-giving water cycle. We traced the journey of Saturn's diamonds, from their creation in the atmosphere to their descent into the planet's core, potentially forming a vast liquid diamond ocean. We've also considered the skepticism and the exciting possibilities that this theory presents. Our universe is a treasure chest of wonders, with Saturn's diamond rain being one of its most dazzling jewels. Our earthly rain may not sparkle like diamonds, but it nourishes our planet and sustains life. Let us not forget, even if it's not raining diamonds here, our rain is just as precious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.